Hello guys, so this is Rear Dicky Sunshade for 3XO. After trying literally so many pieces and ordering online and trying from different local shops, I finally found this one which actually fits properly in 3XO with cut-to-cut design. And let me just install this. So it is very simple, clear installation. And believe me, this is the only sunshade that gonna fit your 3XO. I have done so many research and ordered so many online. So you can see from rear it is like this. Okay, and from interior you can see it is covered all the way. It does not have any kind of gap, as you can see, and this is the product that you are looking for. So I will attaching this product link in the comment or description.